How to make homemade maple coffee, delicious coffee recipe. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our kitchen. Today, we're going to make a delightful homemade maple coffee that's perfect for cozy mornings or relaxing afternoons. Let's dive right in. Ingredients. 1 cup of freshly brewed coffee. 2 tablespoons of pure maple syrup. 1/4 cup of milk, you can use any type of milk you prefer. 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Optional toppings. Whipped cream, cinnamon, or a sprinkle of cocoa powder. Instructions. First things first, pour yourself a nice cup of freshly brewed coffee. You can use your favorite blend or brew, whatever suits your taste buds. Next, add in 2 tablespoons of pure maple syrup. This will give our coffee that delicious, natural sweetness without any artificial flavors. Now, let's add in 1/4 cup of milk. I'm using almond milk today, but feel free to use dairy milk, oat milk, or any other milk alternative you prefer. To enhance the flavor profile, we'll add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This will give our maple coffee a subtle hint of sweetness and warmth. Give everything a good stir to mix all the ingredients together. Make sure that maple syrup is well incorporated with the coffee and milk. Ah, that aroma, it's already smelling fantastic. Now, if you want to take it up a notch, you can add some optional toppings like whipped cream, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or even a dash of cocoa powder. And there you have it, our homemade maple coffee is ready to enjoy. It's rich, creamy, and bursting with maple goodness. Perfect for sipping on a chilly morning or as a delightful afternoon treat. I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy every sip as much as I do. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Cheers! Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.